This is the Sorbo Swivel quick release squeegee handle. This handle will fit any extension pole. It is a swivel action squeegee handle. It has the quick release feature, so you can swap your channels in and out very easily. Requires a Sorbo squeegee channel. Simply just take the channel, slide it into the handle. This is the quick release lever. Simply push it down and that will lock the channel in place. That will complete your Sorbo squeegee. This particular handle is also equipped with a tie-off bar, so you can tie it off while working up high. It's an excellent squeegee handle, manufactured by Sorbo Products and available at CWC Supply.